Hello gang, this is Dave from ChiefTutor.com, training videos and Chief Architect. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to install symbols off of my website, ChiefTutor.com. A specific one, a Dutch store that we just made and posting online, and I wanted to make a little quick video to kind of show you how to install it and all that good stuff. So let's go to ChiefTutor.com. If you don't know how to do that, you just go to any Google search engine and type in Chief Tutor, hit enter. Should pop up there. .com or .net will work. Training videos, I'm going to go to my symbols page 4, and I have 4 pages to go to. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Obviously, I'm going to go with 4. It should ask you for your code word to plug it in. Now, I've already plugged mine in, so it just takes me right to the door. And here's the new 8-panel Dutch door that we're going to be installing. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. That's step 1. Left click on it one time, and it'll download into wherever your download category is. And my download category, right here, and all I need to do is to open it or is right click and choose open, or just double click it and it'll install into Chief Architect automatically. And if I go down to user category, it's DM panel Dutch door, I believe is what I did. Panels Dutch door, there we go. And you'll notice this particular one comes in 2 styles. One is the straight up plain with the door closed that you can act like a normal door, and another one is the actual opening of the Dutch, so it's like halfway open. So let's go ahead and take a look at that in detail. I'm going to draw a simple box, so I'm just left clicking my drag wall button and dragging 4 walls around to make a box, and I'm going to punch in the normal door and let go, and left click on the second open door and do the same thing. When I left click into the wall, I can hold my cursor down and move it in the direction I want the door to swing. So I'm going to show it both ways so it makes more sense. So a couple of the first things that I noticed when I open up in the 3D is it has a double hardware. You see the hardware on it? So we want to make sure we get rid of the hardware. That's the only thing is I've already built the door with built-in hardware. So I'm going to shift select both of them. Let's see if I can do them both at the same time. I'm not even sure, but I think so. I'll go down to hardware, and on both of them, I'll just choose none and click OK. And from there, we can kind of see how the door reacts, which is really great. It's opening up exactly how we like it, right in there. You can also start with a regular door, and you can double click that regular door, and in the library tab you can use it to go to user category, and in this case I've got my panel Dutch door, and let's show it open and click open. But again, remember to go into the hardware and choose none for that. We can also do the casing. I don't like to see the casing in this particular design, so I'm just going to go with that. And I can go in here and I can either color it stucco by using my eyedropper. I can pick up stucco and color it stucco, or I can leave some sort of casing around it if I want. But that's as simple as it gets. So you just take the file, download it, double click it, and it should go bumping right into the system, and it's all ready to go. Thanks so much for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video, and talk to you guys again soon.